we have the Realme GT Neo 3T, also known as the Realme Q5 Pro in some parts, right after testing out similar flagships in the mid-range categories like the Poco F4 5G and the Poco X4 GT or Redmi K50i 5G, both of which has awesome build quality of flagship level. We are expecting the same level of flagship quality from the Realme GT Neo 3T as well, since Realme does well also at the budget level. No sign of the free case as of now, just the SIM ejector tool and paperwork. The Realme Neo GT 3T itself is just awesome in the looks department. We are just hoping that it's also awesome in the build quality too. Regarding the dash yellow variant we have here, the Neo 3T is one of those devices which looks far better in real life rather than the pictures you see online or on the buy page. The best color combination of the year with the black and yellow theme. In my usual trial bend though, it doesn't feel the strongest, and we will be proving that in the actual bend tests. The free case at last makes a relief appearance, this time placed under the device instead of over it. This time it has a black tinge and the quality is good as usual. And the 80 watts adapter, one of the USPs of the Neo 3T. Let's first show you the test in which the Realme GT Neo 3T is actually very poor. Something you really need to be aware of, the drop test. Starting the drop test with 2 pocket height drops from the back and screen side. The Realme GT Neo 3T passes both low drops as every device should. No signs of software or hardware damage as of now. Next, moving on to 4 high drops. First drop on the bottom side plastic edge. Initially it looks like a usual dent on the plastic edge at the left. But soon we realize that there is a crack towards the back side. Rather surprising since it's plastic yet shattered like glass. Next, second drop on the top side. This time, surprisingly no damage or cracks like on the first fail high drop. Next, the last 2 high drops on the back side and camera unit and a 120Hz AMOLED display screen side. Will the size of the cracks increase at the back side? Thankfully, there are no additional cracks on the already cracked backside. No visible damages and the Neo 3T seems to function as of now. But after 1.5 hours, the first signs of permanent damage start to appear at the bottom of the AMOLED display, right where the cracks had appeared. The dead pixel damage on the AMOLED slowly starts to spread over the length of the display, with no option left except to bear the shock of costly repair charges if you did not buy insurance. Next, let's have a look at other tests for the build quality of the GT Neo 3T in other areas. On the left of the AMOLED is a Samsung S5K 3P9 f2.45 15.93 megapixels wide angle lens. On the triple camera unit, a 64.22 megapixel Sony IMX766 f1.8 primary lens. an 8 megapixel f2.25 ultra wide angle second camera, 119.7 degree view, and a third camera with a 2 megapixel macro lens. We have seen a lot of budget Realme and BBK devices fail as crash test due to poor quality tempered glass protection. The Realme GT Neo 3T though isn't a budget device, rather more like a pocket-friendly flagship. It should be able to handle the steel blade abuse better than many failed devices in the budget category. On the flip side, high quality glass protection such as Corning has a 100% success rate against the seal abuse. Is the GT Neo 3T going to handle the steel blade without permanent marks? For a welcome change, the Realme GT Neo 3T actually does manage to pass a scratch test. Next, moving on to fun stuff with value, the bend test. Let's have a look at the actual structural strength of the Neo 3T, especially after not looking the strongest at the trial bend. Starting the bend test, this time from the back pressure, there is definitely a degree of flex, slightly uncomfortable yet manageable. Pressure on the display has a bit more bend degree than the back. No damages or kinks until now, just a bit of bend angle on the plastic frame. The dangerous looking bend angle does not actually create any issues as it locks out after a certain point. The Realme GT Neo 3T thankfully passes the bend test, but buying insurance is recommended since the Neo 3T is not drop friendly and you can end up with a damaged AMOLED.